Here's how to fix iPhone calls going straight to voicemail. Now, if you have your iPhone and someone's calling you, but it just goes straight to voicemail, it never rings on your phone, I'm going to show you how to fix that. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, if you're on your phone calling someone else and it doesn't ring, it goes straight to voicemail. Unfortunately, there's not really anything you can do about that, but you can fix it if it is on your phone. The first thing I would recommend doing is heading into your settings here. And then from here, we're going to scroll down until we find apps and tap on apps. And then scroll all the way down until we find the phone section. So find the P's and tap on phone. Now, the first thing that we will do is scroll down and we'll check a couple things. The first one is silent unknown callers. This is a common culprit. Essentially, if you have this turned on, it will silence anyone who's calling. If they're not in your contacts list, it'll send them straight to voicemail. You'll get that voicemail eventually, but it won't ring on your phone. So make sure you turn this feature off. Another thing I would recommend doing is going back here, and you can see here incoming calls. I would recommend full screen, and announce calls. I have it set to always, so I will always hear and it will always announce when I get a new call. Now, that's one thing that you can do. The next thing that you can do is swipe down from the top right. And if you have a focus mode turned on, like do not disturb, or in my instance, I have the YouTube focus mode turned on, you want to make sure you turn this off. Now, if you switch it over to do not disturb, essentially, if someone calls you while do not disturb is turned on, it essentially won't ring. It'll just automatically go to voicemail. You'll be able to see that voicemail, but it won't vibrate or ring. So basically just turn this feature off to make sure you get those calls. The next thing that you should do is check to see if you have a good cell signal. To do that, essentially what we're going to do is swipe down from the top right. And what we're going to do is turn on airplane mode just to disconnect from your cell signal and then turn it back off. This will reconnect. You can see it reconnects to AT&T. And after doing so, we're going to check your speed. So open up a web browser here. Let me open up a new tab and we're going to type in speed test. We want to make sure that you have a good and stable internet connection because a lot of times your phone can boost these phone calls through Wi-Fi, essentially Wi-Fi assist, and that will allow these calls to get to your phone. Now, if you don't have good signal where you are, the last thing I would recommend doing is maybe just going somewhere else, going outside, or trying to basically get better signal where you are. There is a feature, let's hop back into settings. There is a feature that's pretty cool. We can go all the way back here and tap on cellular. And then you can see here Wi-Fi calling. I can tap on this, and as long as this is turned on, if you have bad signal wherever you are, it will use your Wi-Fi, if you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, to receive that call. So even if you have really poor signal, wherever you are in a building or house or a restaurant, wherever, office, then it'll use the Wi-Fi to be able to receive that call, to be able to ring, and you can answer it while they're calling. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.